Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Lincoln Navigator. Stock number is A7320. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power adjustable liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button, the hatch will fold itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Navigator on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.